This is Wolf from Armoury-Terrain, and today's video is for Laura, who's a member of my Brisbane Makers group. Now, my mate and fellow maker, Robert Hunter, rocked around today, and between us, we made some furry ears. Now, as you watch the following video, Laura, I hope this is useful to you, and if not, let me know what we didn't cover, and I'll reshoot it. So this is Wolf from Armoury-Terrain saying, enjoy the video. Okay, so for those following along at home, to build this sort of earpiece, the fuzzy ears, you're going to need some patterning cardboard. I just use thin pizza boxes. You're also going to need some felt. For this one it was yellow, and you're going to need some cushion stuffing. The less flaky this is, the better. Tool wise, it's pretty simple. Just need a pair of scissors. They don't have to be as fancy as these, just normal scissors will do. And you also need a glue gun. Right, shall we begin? The first thing we're going to do is make a template for the ear out of the pizza box cardboard, which is this size, which is nice and easy. And then, because the hairband that we're using is very, very narrow, what we've needed to do is put a piece that sits on the hairband to help support it. So I've gone ahead and cut those out of foam. The ear itself is 2 layers of foam glued together, and with a bit of contact adhesive. This has been rounded with the heat gun. I'm just going to stick this together. Which gives you your hollow ear shape. Now that you've done that, you turn on your hot glue gun and you cut out a shape out of the foam, out of the felt, and you want to make it at least 1.5 centimeters or 2 centimeters bigger than your paper template, so it can wrap around it. And then once you've done that, it'll look somewhat like this, which is much better than just a foam piece. Once you're at that stage, grab your cushion stuffing, and on the back of it put a nice big glob of hot glue and let it cool down and dry. Why you're doing this is to have something to stick this down while you paint it, and also just something to work to, that's the back of the ear. So speaking of painting, we're going to need some spray paint. I just use the cheap export brand from Super Cheap Auto, which is, you know, a car body paint, and spray it red. Now, to hold it down so it didn't blow away everywhere, I just grabbed a little bit of gaff tape, folded it in half so it's sticky both sides, well, rolled it, and then stuck this hot glue down to the box and then sprayed it. Now that my glue gun is hot, I'm going to glue the ear to the headband, and I'm going to be gluing the front of the ear. Okay, so the glue's on the front section of it, and then work out where it needs to sit on the hair tie or the headband. I don't know, I didn't grow up with them. They're whatever they're called. You know, you can't sue me, but I didn't have long hair until I was 16, so never used one of these myself. But I did have the most glorious waist length hair all through uni. Didn't cut it off until I was 22. Okay, now that this is stuck on there, we're going to get the hot glue and put more hot glue on the inside of the ear, right in the center, and then taking the red painted matting foam. We're going to stick it in there with the hot glue that's already on there down, so it should stick to itself, all things being equal. And now that it's stuck in there, you can grab your scissors and start shaping it into flames or whatever else you need to do. Now of course these are right-handed scissors and I'm left-handed, so I tried to use them the wrong way. Silly me. You don't have to be too gentle with this, just shape it with your scissors until you've got a shape you're happy with. And if you end up with white bits, you can mask off the rest of the year just with masking tape and give this a respray. So you get the idea anyway. Hey Bo, come here. Bo. Hey, Bo is so unimpressed about these ears, but they are so cute on him. Yes, this is my girlfriend's puppy dog, Bo. I'm pretty sure B.O. is short for Buffhead, but he's a lovable puppy dog anyway, even if he has just destroyed a whole bunch of paper cups. But he knows he's in trouble for it. And that, Laura, is how you make ears like this. I hope it's been of use to you. And this is Wolf from Armoury-Terrain saying go out and make something.